This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday undertook a comprehensive review of the COVID-19 related situation in the country. He was given a detailed picture on the COVID outbreak in various states and districts. He was informed about the 12 states which have more than 1 lakh active cases. The Prime Minister was also apprised about the districts with high disease burden. Modi was briefed about the ramping up of healthcare infrastructures by the states. He directed that states should be given help and guidance about leading indicators to ramp up the healthcare infrastructure. In Assam, vaccination drive for 18 to 44 years will start today formally in the state. However, a few doses have already been administered on the 5th of this month in Guwahati symbolically. The Assam government announced to provide the vaccines free of cost to all eligible persons in this category. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has instructed all the Deputy Commissioners to regularly visit hospitals for better COVID management. The Chief Minister held a video conference with all the Deputy Commissioners and senior officers on COVID management in Guwahati yesterday. Sonowal also told them to ensure that the prices of essential medicines should not rise. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh said the state government would declare working journalists of the state as frontline COVID warriors and they would be vaccinated on priority. The Chief Minister said that the government is aware of the risk involved in collecting and disseminating news to the public at this time of pandemic. Coronavirus is highly contagious and working journalists may get exposed to the virus anytime in course of their professional activities, he pointed out. As such, the government feels that it is important to take up necessary measures for their personal safety, considering the invaluable service rendered by the media fraternity to the society. The Director of Information and Public Relations would coordinate with journalist bodies and tie up with the State Mission Director of NHM for the vaccination drive. The Northeast Frontier Railway has taken steps to facilitate state governments in Northeast to fight against COVID pandemic. The CPRO of the Northeast Frontier Railway said the authorities have already provided 10 coaches to Nagaland government to be used as beds to treat COVID positive patients. One coach consists of 16 beds with oxygen facilities. On the other hand, the NF Railway has also prepared 150 coaches for the Assam government as requested by the Health Department. The coaches are placed at different locations to be used as and when required. The Health Department will deploy medical staffs to take best possible care of the patients. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday visited the site where the biomedical waste incinerator is being set up adjacent to ISPT Tura in West Garo Hills district, which will help dispose of biomedical waste safely. After the inspection, the Chief Minister said that the 4 crore project has been sanctioned and works have started. He said that the government is hopeful that within a few months' time, the biomedical waste incinerator will be completed. This is something which the state needs very much, as a lot of biomedical waste is being generated, needs to be disposed of, he said, adding that once it is completed, the purpose will be served. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday inspected the proposed site of the cryogenic oxygen plant at Jingjal in West Garo Hills district. The Chief Minister said this plant will cater to the needs of 5 districts of Garo Hills and also supply to West Khasi Hills district as it is in a strategic location. The work for this plant will start from today itself as the work order is already given, he said. The Chief Minister is hopeful that the plant will come up at the earliest. Sikkim reported 264 new COVID-19 cases yesterday. This is the highest number of cases reported in the state in a single day. A total of 742 cases have been recorded this week. With this, the state's case tally grew to 9,183 with 2,256 active cases and 6,565 recoveries. 3 COVID-19 fatalities were recorded, taking the corona death toll to 158. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.